How to fix Instagram following not shown on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just type here Instagram and click on it, and then make sure there is no update here. If that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and go to apps, and apps again, this one for Android phone. Go to Instagram, click force stop and go to storage clear cache. Go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem. And if you have an iOS, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.